have the Ratchet, the Makita Ratchet hack. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this. Make more to review videos, so that's the way YouTube runs the platform by subscribers and likes. So help us out by doing so. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. So we got this. This is the kit. This is the CT lithium cordless 3/8 and 1/4 inch square drive ratchet kit by Makita, $189. So this does come with a 2 amp hour battery, I believe. Let's see here. Yeah, 2 amp hour battery, a charger in a bag, and an adapter here if you want to do the 3/8. Alright, so $189. If you go down here, you can select the free gift with purchase. So select the free gift. Obviously there's only one item, and then you add both to cart and view cart. Guys, you're gonna get this battery, this 2 amp hour battery, or I mean my bad, it's a 4 amp hour battery for $48.35. This is a great deal on this battery. Even this one's great too. This is the 2 amp hour, ratchet kit for $149 with the hack. Guys, go get them. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Oh, and also big shout out to the Tool Boss for having this first, and that's where I got this. So thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next one.